You're so bizarre, you're small around, you fit just right in any cozy corner, day or night.
Pug, pug, you're the one, always ready to have some fun, with a happy heart and an easy-going style. You light up our world, mile after mile, and light up our world, mile after mile.
In the apartment, you rule the place, with your curly tail and that wrinkled face. You don't need space, just a comfy chair, and someone to give you a belly rub there.
Pug, pug, you're the one, always ready to have some fun, with a happy heart and an easy-going style. You light up our world, mile after mile, and light up our world, mile after mile. When it's time to play or time to rest, you always know how to do your best. You might be small, but you're full of cheer. You make every moment feel so dear. Pug, pug, you're the one, always ready to have some fun, with a happy heart and an easy-going style. You light up our world, mile after mile, and light up our world, mile after mile.
So here's to you, our little friend, with your joyful spirit that never ends. Pug, oh pug, you're simply the best. In our hearts you'll always have a cozy nest.